Okay, we're gonna go a little higher than we should, because I think I gotta settle later.
Now.
2 minnows?
Yep.
Look, we just need 2 more clicks and this will be in. 1, 2, maybe 3. There we go.
Maybe 4.
Right. My screw's right in the way where I want to be.
I got 3 more. 3 of those. 3 minutes.
3 of them?
None.
I just need this out of the way.
Right there.
Oh man. My junk's right away. How do I get that out of there, son? Oh, bee. He's gone. Huh. That sucks.
Did it sting you?
No, just scared me.
Who else sting you though, right?
Well, let's get on that boat and I'll get a hammer and knock that in there better.
Dad,
Once it's secured,
one.
I'll show you the problem here. We got it level.
You can paddle in this one.
That boat? Okay.
Yeah. Paddle on this side.
So I got it up on here, but it's just barely hanging on that. And I can't get my stuff out of there. I just need this off and I'm done, but it won't come out of there. So I'm gonna, I don't know, finish it up. Let's try and break it way. Big hammer.